Here you go. 8 powerful mantras. Yes, I said mantras that are going to help you clear your energy field of negative thoughts, negative beliefs, limiting beliefs and doubts, and empower the law of attraction. Hey there, everyone. Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today, we are breathing deep. And we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. I'd like to remind you to subscribe to our channel while you're thinking about it and click the bell icon because we're here every day, Monday through Friday, with an empowering video on personal empowerment, the mind sciences, healing, and of course, the law of attraction. We believe that you deserve the money you desire, the love that you crave, and the health that you depend upon. And so today we're talking about clearing away the smoke. Can you put some smoke in the special effects, Rachel? We need to clear away the smoke. We need to clear away the negative energy. And for years, I have used mantras. I've used mantras in Hindi. I've used mantras, Buddhist mantras. I've used Latin mantras. I have done a number of different mantras. And mantras, what they do is they give your mind a focus. They take you into a deeper state of consciousness. And that focus is very important. Your mind always needs a focus. If your mind doesn't have a focus, it's just going to throw stuff all over the place. And that's what you end up attracting into your life. You end up attracting a little bit of this, a little bit of that, instead of a strong, powerful focus. Okay, mantras do not need to be in some exotic foreign language. Mantras can be in English. So I'm going to give you some English mantras that I personally have used. And if you will use these mantras, you're going to find that they clear, you just feel better. You just feel, look at when you feel better, you attract more. High flyers, we attract based on our feelings. Okay? We attract based on what we are, not what we want. So by getting yourself to a higher state of vibration, you just feel better. You feel more empowered. You feel more resourceful. Okay, are you ready for mantra number 1? Write this down, and then the key to a mantra is to pick one of these 8 and go with it for 28 days. 28 days is a full lunar cycle. And during that 28 days, that mantra energy will seep into your subconscious mind. And now your subconscious mind and your conscious mind will be working in alignment instead of against each other. That is absolutely critical when attracting the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health that you depend upon. Here we go. Mantra number 1. I am in harmony with source energy. I forgive those who have wounded me. In my soul, I only feel love, joy, and abundance. Now, high flyers, when you're doing this particular mantra, this particular affirmational mantra, and you're doing it for 28 days, it's important to calm your interior spirit. And here's the big secret. The manifestation doesn't come through the words. It comes through the spaces in between the words. So you want to focus on nice, deep breaths in between each word to pull in that new, revised, resourceful energy. For example, in the beginning of that mantra, it says, in harmony. Don't just say in harmony, say in harmony. And you can say harmony on the outflow. Then the next word, in, out. It's very important that you use this formula because it's the spaces where the manifestation takes place. And so perhaps you're focusing on something or a situation that you would like to manifest in your life. Saving your relationship, for example. Increasing your income. It's the spaces where that's going to take place at. Not in the words. The words almost will become secondary after a while. After you memorize it, it'll become kind of secondary. Let's go to our second mantra. With the aid of source energy, I raise my vibration. With the aid of source energy, I raise my vibration. Mantra number 3 for clearing away depression, negative energy, low vibrational energy. I am open completely to love and happiness. I am open completely to love and happiness. You see, high flyers, when you are completely open, I feel very yummy right now. I feel very relaxed. When you're completely open to love and happiness, you allow good energy into your life for love, for relationships, for money, for healing, for prosperity, for abundance. It all comes because you're vibrating at a wonderful state of love and happiness. Our next mantra is, today, I let go of my past and welcome my compelling future. Today, I let go of my past and welcome my compelling future. Mantra number 5 is so beautiful. It's one that you will certainly want to include on a daily basis. With the aid of source energy, I heal all the pain and sorrow from my past. Today, I move into the future. One of my favorite mantras that I use and have used over the years is so simple and so symbolic, and I think that's what makes it special. Today, I welcome the light and step out of the darkness. Isn't that a wonderful morning mantra to rise to? Today, I welcome the light and step out of the darkness. High Flyers, mantra number 7 is, today, with each breath that I take, I fill myself with increasing gratitude. Today, with each breath I take, I fill myself with increasing gratitude. And finally, our last mantra is the shortest mantra of all, but it's extraordinarily powerful. I usually hold my hands out like so, feel myself connecting to source energy, feel source energy, the God force power flowing through me, and I simply say, I am. I am. I am. Now, for those of you who use mala beads, this is a wonderful mantra to use with your mala beads 108 times. It's fantastic. I am. It puts you right there. It makes you totally responsible for the life that you are creating for yourself. You are the microcosm of the macrocosm. You are the reflection of the infinite. Now, high flyers, if you need help with your marriage, your relationship, your business, your abundance, your career, be sure and write us at lawofattractionsolutions@gmail.com, but we only respond when you put a phone number and a country code. We need both. And you can also visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. You have an incredible day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.